Hello everybody, this is a short video showing you how to get and how to use the new Facebook 3D option. There's a lot of questions on the net and I can see people are asking the same questions over and over. So I'll try to make this quick and fast, and when you're done watching this video I hope you're up and running. First off, we need to talk about hardware. And yeah, sorry, but it's only the iPhone with dual cameras this function works for at the moment. There's a lot of other great phones out there which has dual cameras, but the software does not support this at the moment. So iPhones with dual cameras only. Okay, the next thing you need to check is that your iPhone app is up to date. At the moment the version number is 195. And after that you need to go into your settings for your Facebook and check that you are uploading video and photos, especially photos in HD. The next thing you need to do is take a photo in portrait mode on your camera app. You can't make old photos like this one into a 3D photo without using special software. So if it's an easy 3D upload you're looking for, take a new picture in the portrait mode and you should be good to go. And if you don't have the 3D option in your list, there's a workaround for that. And a lot of people have great success doing this. So the idea is you go to Facebook on the app, you find the Facebook 360 Facebook page and like that. When you have liked it, then you force quit the Facebook app, and then when you restart, a lot of people are getting this option after that. I know it sounds like a joke, but try it. It doesn't cost you anything. And when it comes to posting a 3D photo on Facebook, it's quite simple. You just go in and make a new post, and then you go down and select a 3D photo on the list, and then you can select pictures from your portrait photo album. And I'll just select this nice burger, so you're able to see the 3D effect on this burger, just like you're able to eat the burger. And that's it. You should be good to go uploading 3D photos to Facebook.